sasabihin na sasabihin.
Mamaya.
Hindi ako marunong.
Happy ano? Happy
Ako nga.
Saturday.
Ako magsasalita. Hey guys, and happy Saturday! Huwag kang tawa ulit.
Wala
Hey guys, and happy Saturday! Welcome back to my channel. So today, I am with my younger sister and my younger brother. But first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Tintin.
I'm Katrina.
Huwag yun! Ulit! First, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Tintin.
I'm Kat.
And I'm Tantan.
And we are Tin Katan! So, for today's video, we are going to do the most likely to siblings edition. And I have asked you guys to comment on Facebook any most likely to questions and statements. So, nasagutin namin sila. So, ulit, ako si Tintin, siya si Katkat, and siya si Tantan. So, let's get started! Let's do this! First statement, most likely to share food is...
Mia!
Siya, kasi kakabigay niya ng french fries.
Tapos yung chatlet niya, hindi niya pinakain sa akin. Kinain ko lang ay nagalit na.
Most likely to start a fight. Si Tantan.
Ito.
Sino sa'yo? Si Tantan. Most likely to eat french fries with a fork. Si Katkat.
With a fork?
With a fork. Ikaw. Most likely to stay long in the bathroom. Who is most likely to be the first one to die in a zombie apocalypse?
No.
Ako? Bakit ako? Bakit ako?
Kasi pag tumakbo ka, mataba ka. Pag tumakbo ka, mataba ka. Wala na pa.
Next question. Who is most likely to take selfies? Ako? Most likely to fart in public? Ako?
No.
Ikaw? Yes? Most likely to buy a puppy?
Pero hindi niya inaalaga pag laki.
Oh, pag puppy lang, okay lang.
Puppy.
Pero kapag malaki na, hindi na.
Ako lang nag-aalaga.
Special mention kay Gasi.
Hi, Cassie! Insert Cassie's picture here. Most likely to be staying at parents' house at 30. Most likely to get married at 50.
Wala pang boyfriend.
Oy!
Ngayon.
May boyfriend na ako.
Yeah!
Grade 12 na ay wala pa.
Wow.
Ikaw ba? Meron na?
Wala pa.
Wala, may tinatanggi mo.
Tinatagi mo mapapanood niya to!
Joke lang. Hindi mapapanood yun ni Papa. Hindi alam na. Si Mama lang.
Okay, next. Most likely to be alone at 40. Ako siguro. Most likely to be a boss at 25.
Parehas.
Nakatapos ko pala mag-mission ng 25. Hindi pa ako pwede maging boss. Maalin sa inyo. Most likely to go to jail.
Nope.
Bakit ako? Wala akong nagagawa.
Most likely to flirt.
Oh my gosh.
Mas madami itong boyfriend.
No doubt.
Ito sa lagi.
May team lang si ate.
Most likely to apologize first.
Yeah.
Ako. Most likely to cheat with partner.
No.
Tanda, di ba?
Kaya mga nililigawan niya.
Yung mga nililigawan niya, alam nyo na.
Hindi.
Most likely to be richer.
Why me? Siya daw.
Most likely to cheat. Siguro cheat na nandaday sa school.
Lahat na nga.
Hindi nung periodical table nung hindi pa kami nagpapalo sa iyo doon.
Most likely to become an artist. Ako yun.
Okay.
Ako yun. Tapos na! Okay, tapos na. Wala nang tanong. Ayun, tapos na po. Nasagot na po namin yung inyong mga most likely to questions and statements. Again, thank you for sending them and commenting on my posts. Again, I'm Tintin.
I'm Kat.
Tatan!
And we are Tin Katan! If you like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up subscribe as well because I upload videos every single week. And I'll see you again next week. Bye!